You also get to see these nice, beautiful birds in the middle of the winter. Not to mention this beautiful view of the river. Look at these. They're all over Florida. They're like, I guess they would be like roaches are to, or rats are to New York. You get to see these birds everywhere. And not just them. All different types. That's a family of 3. And it's February the 1st. And it's frigid cold over most of the country. And yet, I'm riding my bike in 70-degree weather in Cocoa, Florida. How can you beat that? Beautiful. Those birds never starve either. That's another thing. God feeds the birds.